Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the fascinating world of descriptive studies. If you're a researcher or just curious about research methods, this is for you. Descriptive studies are a key tool in understanding the characteristics of a population or phenomenon. Unlike experimental studies, which test hypotheses and explore causal relationships, descriptive studies focus on the what, rather than the why or how. They help us understand patterns, trends, and correlations by gathering and analyzing data without manipulating variables. So, let's break it down. Descriptive studies offer a snapshot of a situation or population at a specific point in time. They involve collecting data through various methods and analyzing it to describe the current state of affairs. The goal is to paint a comprehensive picture of the subject matter. Case studies involve an in-depth examination of a single case or a small number of cases within a real-world context. For example, a researcher might conduct a case study on a patient with a rare disease to explore their symptoms, treatment, and response to therapy. This can provide detailed insights that might not be evident in larger studies. These studies analyze data collected from a population at a single point in time or over a short period. Think of it as a snapshot of the population's characteristics. For instance, a survey assessing the prevalence of high blood pressure among adults in a specific city at a given time can reveal the proportion of individuals affected and identify any demographic patterns. Longitudinal studies collect data from the same subjects repeatedly over a period of time. While they track changes, they can still be descriptive if they primarily focus on documenting these changes rather than inferring causation. An example would be tracking the development of cognitive abilities in children over several years to describe patterns of growth and identify trends related to educational interventions. In observational studies, the investigator observes subjects in their natural environment without manipulating any variables. The goal is to describe what happens without intervention. For instance, observing the behavior of patients in a waiting room to document how they interact with healthcare providers or each other. This involves collecting data from a sample of individuals through questionnaires or interviews to describe attitudes, opinions, or behaviors. For example, conducting a survey on job satisfaction among nurses to describe their levels of satisfaction, the factors influencing their job satisfaction, and any variations across different hospitals. A study examining the prevalence of diabetes in different regions can describe the distribution of diabetes in various populations and identify factors like age, gender, or socioeconomic status associated with the condition. Research on smoking habits among teenagers might collect data on how many teenagers smoke, the frequency of smoking, and the age of initiation, providing a detailed account of smoking trends and patterns within that age group. A study detailing the demographic characteristics of patients visiting a specific clinic, including age, gender, ethnicity, and insurance status, helps healthcare providers understand the population they serve and tailor services accordingly. Descriptive studies are crucial for generating a comprehensive understanding of a subject by providing detailed and specific information. They're foundational for further research and can help in identifying trends, patterns, and associations that might warrant more in-depth or experimental investigations. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring the